Hello everyone, we are Team Jal. I am Ayush
And I am Tejas.
We are studying in class 8 at Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysore. The theme we have chosen is agriculture.
And our problem statement is to develop prototype of automated device or machine that assists small-scale farmers in tasks such as planting, watering, or harvesting crops.
According to an article published on 9 September 2021 by Times of India newspaper, Delochan Mohapatra, Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) and Secretary of the Department of Agricultural Research and Education, said poor management leads to water wastage of about 70% of irrigation water. Globally, on average, farms account for 70% of all water that is consumed annually. Of that 70% used by farms, 40% is lost to the environment due to poor irrigation systems, evaporation, and overall poor water management.
Our project Baghban aims to develop an automated robotic watering device that will detect color tags placed next to a ridge with a lower moisture level. This robot has the potential to assist farmers in saving time and energy, enhancing crop quality, and minimizing water wastage.
To gain a better understanding of farmers' concerns, we conducted interviews with 4 small scale farmers. Based on their insights, we learned that most small scale farmers utilize drip irrigation systems for cultivating their crops. 2 farmers said that due to financial constraints, they struggled to maintain the drip irrigation setups and use furrow irrigation at times, resulting in water wastage.
The farmers highlighted the potential benefits of an automated robot like Baghban, stating that it could significantly reduce their maintenance costs and save them a substantial amount of investment. We have used Arduino Uno L289NH bridge board, TCS3200 color sensor, and DC612V mini aquarium water pump in our project.
The farmer conducts the finger test on the ridges to assess the moisture content of the soil. He then places the color tag if the moisture content is less on a particular ridge. The Arduino Uno controls the Baghban robot. The Baghban robot, when switched on automatically, moves along the furrows between the ridges. While the robot runs on the furrow, the color sensor detects the color tag on the ridges. After the color tag is detected, the color sensor signals the Arduino Uno to trigger the water pump. The water pump is connected to a water tank on the robot and a nozzle below the robot. The water pump then switches on and waters the entire ridge. The robot automatically moves forward on the furrow till another color tag is detected by the color sensor. When another tag is detected by the Baghban, it repeats the process of watering the crop. We've used a bed of spinach plants to test our watering device.
If selected, we would like to upgrade the Baghban robot to an AI version by using Raspberry Pi and camera module. We want to make the Baghban robot prompter faster by upgrading the hardware. We together worked on making our model and developed the document.